Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is your host, O'Shea Lennox. Look here, I'm coming to you with another knife video. As you can see, and that's a beautiful little piece right here in front of me. Look, hit that like button. Subscribe to me if you like it. If you don't like it, hit the minus sign. But let's get right into it. And yeah, drop them comments. All right. Now I want y'all to tell me, what do y'all know about this knife right here? Now, I couldn't quite figure out exactly what it is. It's a beautiful little piece. It has stainless. Okay. Is that stainless Japan? Hold up, let me zoom in a little bit. Because I know some knife experts out there that know how to identify this. Is that stainless Japan? Well, it's made in Japan. Have a little stuff going on inside there. But it's a good knife. It opens and closes well. Trouble is, I have a hard time opening and closing this thing. But now it's in real good condition. Or y'all tell me, y'all knife expert tells me what the real good condition is. The blades are good. Now you all out there tell me. And let me know in the comments below. And this is it for this video. Look, don't bury your talent. Matthew chapter 25, verse 14 through 30. Don't bury your talent. Oh, let me measure the knife. I had something I was getting to do. With it being closed, it's approximately 3 inches. And with it being fully extended, let me fully extend this thing. I'm very careful with these knives. Fully extended. It's approximately 5 inches. And it has a drop point blade on it. I think you call it drop. And it has a point blade on it. That's it for now.